Hello, everybody. Today we are going to talk about one question by making use of the Pythagoras theorem: a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And then in this rectangle A, B, C, D, there is a point, not the center point, but the point E in the middle, inside of the A, B, C, D. And then it is given that AE, the length of A is 4 centimeter, EB length is 3 centimeter, length of ED is 5 centimeter. And then you are asked to given the length of EC, and then X as the representative. Now how to solve this problem? And then we can, from E can to draw two lines, the two lines respectively perpendicular to AB, CD, and another lines perpendicular to AD and BC. And then with the intersections respectively, for example, it is ABCD because F, G, H, and I. And we know that in the rectangle, the counterpart side are equal to each other. For example, AF, we can name F M, and then DG is M also. HEM and FBN, so correspondingly EIN and GCN. And then if we name the EFA and then EGA and then AHA, it is B and BIA, and then EICB equals to FG and HDB. Now we can make use of some of the small triangle to form the equations below. The first one is, can say, make use this small triangle, and then M square plus A square equals 4 square, right? 4 square. And then in this small triangle, and N squared plus A squared equals 3 squared. In this small triangle, can say MP plus M squared plus B squared equals 5 squared. As to this small triangle, we know that B squared plus N squared equals to X squared. So if we know B and N respective their square, we can know the S squared. There is a B in this equation, there is a N in this equation. And then if we, to make the calculation by to this simultaneous equations, we know that M squared plus B squared plus N squared plus A squared equals 3 squares plus 5 square, right? There is B square and N square. And it is very fortunate. It is very fortunate that B square and M square plus A square here. There's 4 squares. So 4 squares plus B squares and N squares equal 3 squares plus 5 squares. So B squares plus N squares equals 3 squares plus 5 squares minus 4 squares. So B squares equals N squares. So X squares equals squares is 9, and 5 squares 25, and 4 squares 16. So it equals 9, because it is 9, okay? 9. So 9 times 2. So X equals, because the square root of 9 is 3, so 3 plus 3, 2, square root. So this is the right answer. X equals 3 and 2 square root. It is done. Thank you for watching.